The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning, traders. This is your Options News Rundown for Thursday, July 12th. Before we get started, though, this is being recorded without a headset, so the sound is not going to be optimal. I'll keep it short and sweet as a result. Technology and industrial stocks are leading Wall Street higher this morning as some big deals and optimism about the earnings season helped offset fears about a U.S.-China trade war. CA Inc. jumped 18.1%, the most on the benchmark S&P 500 index, after chipmaker Broadcom announced a surprise $18.9 billion deal to buy the U.S. business software company. Broadcom fell 16.8%, leading S&P losers. Comcast gained just under 1% after it made a $34 billion bid for European pay TV group Sky, trumping an offer from 21st Century Fox. Shares of Rupert Murdoch's company inched up 0.3%. 9 of the 11 major S&P sectors were higher, led by S&P 500 technology sector's 1% gain. The industrial sector rose only 0.6%. Shares of Apple and Microsoft, both up around 1%, and Facebook rising about 1.3%, led the gains in the technology sector. Next, CNBC is reporting that Canaccord Genuity named Amazon king of the most revered tech stocks, while raising its price target on the e-commerce giant. The stock rose to a record this morning following the note, up 1% on the day. Amazon shares closed Wednesday trading at $1,755 per share, up 50% this year. Canaccord bumped its price target up to $2,000 per share from $1,800 a share, as the firm expects Jeff Bezos' company to report stronger revenue than previously estimated. We think our revenue estimate of 38% could end up being conservative. That would be a 4.5-point sequential deceleration after 5 years of acceleration, the analysts wrote. Amazon is expected to report quarterly earnings on July 26th. Finally, Bloomberg is reporting that the Federal Reserve next March will probably map out an end to the contraction in its balance sheet, helping support longer-dated bond yields, which will drop below some of those shorter-dated notes by the middle of 2019, according to Morgan Stanley. The Fed started shrinking its balance sheet last October, unwinding the unprecedented quantitative easing launched during the financial crisis. The recent phenomenon of the effective federal funds rate trading towards the upper level of the Fed's target range has been a sign to some observers that liquidity may already be getting tight. The yield curve has been flattening almost continuously since early 2017 as the Fed kept raising rates, pushing up 2-year yields while 10-year yields rose by less. An inversion has preceded U.S. recessions in the past, and some Fed officials have expressed concern about that happening. 10-year treasuries now yield about just 27 basis points more than the 2 years. While a larger endpoint for the Fed's balance sheet than previously anticipated should support risky assets, the help won't arrive until the contraction ends, according to Morgan Stanley. On a 12-month horizon, the strategists recommend being underweight corporate credit relative to benchmark indices. And that's all we have for today. You can find all of these stories and more on theoptionsinsider.com. I'll be back tomorrow with more options news you can use.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.